Hello, all, very good evening. This is Karthik from RajCloud Technologies. I welcome you all to today's Snowflake DBT and ADF introduction session. So before starting the session, I just want to take a moment and explain you about our social media handles and about our website and everything. So let us start with our YouTube channel. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. Okay, you can see here we have almost 35.9k subscribers, and we have uploaded more than 450 plus videos are uploaded here. If you just go to the video section here, you can see there are videos related to multiple cloud technologies. You can see here about AI and ML, Informatica Power Center, AWS and DevOps, Informatica Data Quality and Cloud Data Quality, AI and ML, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, Snowflake, AWS, Azure, Salesforce, Power BI, Cybersecurity, Generative AI. On many different courses, we have uploaded many videos here in our YouTube channel. Just go through once. Just go through once. If you really like our videos, if you really like our videos, like the video, comment on the videos, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Okay, whenever we upload any video, you will get this, you'll get the update, you'll get the notification as well. So just subscribe to the channel. I have shared the link over chat, over Zoom chat. So please subscribe to the channel so that you'll get all the updates here. Got it? Yes. And we have also Instagram page, Raj Informatica. This is our Instagram page. Okay. So in our Instagram page, exclusively, we will be giving the updates on jobs. Okay. Where the opportunities are available right now. If any tied up company is providing any interviews, like when it will be and where it will be. Okay. So the complete job updates program will be given you through Instagram itself. So please follow our Instagram page. You can just search for Raj Informatica. You will get the profile. This is our profile actually. So I have shared the link also in the Zoom chat. Use the Zoom chat link and follow our page so that you'll get the complete updates regarding this job updates also. Not only on Snowflake, on each and every job update we'll be posting here. You can see here there is a highlight also called job openings. In this job openings highlight, you will find out all the openings that we have posted till now. Okay, just follow our page, you will get all these access. Okay, yes. And we have a website called razinformatica.com. This is our website. Okay, so initially it was Raz Informatica. This is our institute name. Later on, we have added many cloud technologies, and we have changed our course name, our institute name from Raz Informatica to Raj Cloud Technologies. Got it? So this is our institute name, Raj Cloud Technologies. You can see here in the left top corner, Raj Informatica is now Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, so this is our home page. This is our website home page. If you just scroll down a bit, you will be able to see software trainings that we offer. Okay, software trainings that we offer. One second. Someone is requesting for the AI companion. Yes, I have given access. Okay, so software trainings that we offer: generative AI, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, Azure data engineering and Databricks, AWS data engineering. Okay, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud IaaS IDMC, artificial intelligence with machine learning, cyber security and ethical hacking, Microsoft Power BI, GCP professional certification training, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, Python full stack development, Python for AI and chat GPT, Salesforce and AWS and DevOps. Okay, these are the trainings that we are offering from Raj Cloud Technologies. Got it? Yes. If you just scroll up here, in these there is a section, there is a separate section called upcoming free live sessions. In this upcoming free live sessions section, we have given the all our upcoming demo links here. Okay, even the today's session link is also available here. You can check it out. You can check it out. Okay, so Snowflake plus DBT plus ADF program free live session 28th August at 7 p.m. Okay, so today's session link also available here. In the same way, tomorrow we have Power BI, 31st, we have cyber security, and 1st of September we have Informatica data quality and cloud data quality. Okay, this is how we will be giving you the upcoming free live sessions also. Whatever the free live sessions are scheduled from Raj Cloud Technologies, you can get the free link from here, from the website. Okay, so keep browsing our website. so that you'll understand like whatever the upcoming free live sessions are also available. So, and apart from the courses and everything, so we have many other useful things also available on our website. Like if you just go to the material section, there are many useful materials uploaded here. In the interview section, Snowflake interview questions are also uploaded here. Many interview questions are also available here. You can access it for free of cost. Okay, this is for everyone. Even if you enroll, if you not enroll, everyone can get this. Everyone can get this like access. Okay, and we are offering exclusively for freshers. We are offering internship programs also. Okay, here is the internships page. Even you can follow our internships page so that like you'll get the all updates also. And if you want any internship program, you can just like submit the form and you can get the call also. Got it? Yes. Now let's get into the Snowflake section separately. Okay, in the courses section, if you just scroll here, you can see there is a Snowflake trainings page. Okay, click on the Snowflake training page so that you will be entering into the Snowflake particular web page. Sorry, my internet is a bit bad. Please bear with me. So you can see here new batch is starting from 28th of August, that is from today. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is the complete information. This is a page where we'll be having the complete information on Snowflake DBT and ADF program. Please bear with me, my internet is a bit slow. Yeah, so you can see here the Snowflake DBT and ADF program, the technologies that we are teaching here, Snowflake, DBT, ADF, Oracle, real-time projects, interview questions and everything. The course unique features, course curriculum, the Oracle classes that you will be getting here. Okay, and if you click on show more, you can get the complete updates here. Okay, you can get the complete updates and complete course curriculum you can see here. And at the end of the course, like what and all you will be doing, what and all you can do. Okay, so everything is clearly mentioned here. And about your instructor also you have mentioned here very clearly. We have two batches, okay, morning and evening. Morning batch is like 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, and the evening batch timings are 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. So these are the batches available right now. So see, the last morning batch is about to end. There are like one or two more classes are left. That's it for the morning batch. That is the reason why we are studying a new morning batch right now. The timings are same for the morning, okay? 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. The morning batch timings are same. The evening batch, the timings are a bit different right now. So earlier it was 5 to 6:30 p.m. IST, but now it is like 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. Okay. So these are the timings, Govardhan. Please stay with me so that I can help you with the further information also about the batch timings and all. Okay. Yes. So, and you can see here the course fee is 15,000 rupees. But today, whoever is like joining this demo, you have some special discount available today. You have some special discount available today. Just to stay connected with me till end of the session. You are going to get the best price ever. Okay. You are going to get the best price ever. So before starting the session, I just like want to know more about your information, and I will be adding you to the and I will be adding you to the 1 second. Yeah, and I will be adding you to the Snowflake DBT and ADF real-time project WhatsApp group. Okay, so to get the project WhatsApp group link, please share me your name and WhatsApp number in the chat, in the Zoom chat. The Zoom chat is available open for everyone. Just share me your name and WhatsApp number here so that we can add you to the Snowflake DBT and ADF real-time project WhatsApp group. And we will be also sharing the today's session, today's session material, and the recording will be also shared with you. Okay, so just to stay with me, and I'm just giving you 1 minute of time, sorry, 2 minutes of time. I will be giving you the 2 minutes of time. So please drop your name and WhatsApp number here so that we can add you to the WhatsApp. Okay. Yes. I can see there is some new people joined just now. Okay, for you people, I just like want to give you some updates. To get our Snowflake DBT and ADF real-time project WhatsApp group link, please drop me your name and WhatsApp number here in the chat. The chat is open for everyone. The people are sending their numbers already. So keep sharing your name and WhatsApp number here so that so that we can we can just add you to the WhatsApp group as well. Okay. Yes. Uh, Please don't animate my screen. Xiaomi. Yes, disabled. Yeah. Okay. Still 1 minute left. Keep sharing your numbers. Keep sharing your numbers. The chat is open. Hi everyone. Thank you for sharing your numbers. Thanks for sharing your contacts here. Okay. So
Can I take from here?
1 second, Sai Sri garu. No, Govardhan. Okay, so the both sessions, the Sai Sri
Yeah.
garu is taking it live. Okay, throughout the program, throughout the session, you will be having the unmute access. You can raise your question and you can clear it anytime. Okay, anytime you can ask your doubt and you can clear it. You will be having unmute access throughout the session. As today is a demo session, we have disabled you your unmute access, but I'll enable you. Okay, so once the size trigger explanation is done, okay, I'll enable the mic for everyone also. No need to worry about that. Each and every session is live. Both morning session and evening session both are live. Both are different sessions. Okay, both are not parallelly going on right now. Morning session is starting from today, but evening session started like a few days ago already. Okay, in the evening classes, I think we have done with the 10 classes already. The batch is already going on right now. Okay, both the classes are live only. Don't worry about that. Okay, yes, and the chat is still open. If someone have missed to share your contact numbers, you can keep sharing your contact numbers. Still the chat is active for everyone. Sai Srigar, over to you, please. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
And Govardhan, simple check. I don't know who is the friend who may ask you, mention this information about recordings. Just check whatever the classes you are getting, you can check the timestamp. Okay. You can see my system timestamp. The day when I took the class, the same time, everything you can observe. So with that timestamp, you can understand it's a live class or recording class. Okay, simple. Till now, one class also I didn't play. Maybe only one time I will play the recording. That is also on the project. I have to show you live project, right? As per IT world, everyone knows that live project, live client related screen should not share with anyone. It's clear. Everyone knows about this. No one, even our friends, also never share with us, right? So that's the reason I cannot open my live client account in front of you within my system. In that case, only one class at the end of session to show you live screen. I will open one recording. Only that one recording will be open. Even I will explain at that time also. I will say like I am showing the live client screen, like that, I will inform and I will open that recording. Only that one time you will see my screen with the recording on. I will talk in live. I will talk anyway. There's a one place. Remaining any class you can open. it will match with your time, my laptop timestamp. You can see my laptop timestamp at the end of right side. That will be there. Okay, because I'm giving a lot of efforts. If I have emergency works also, and I will postpone the class. I never play the recording. Okay, so I don't want to take the wrong things like this. Just inform to him if he is having doubts. Let him prove I'm ready for that. And one more time, one more thing I'll do. If Azure account or AWS account, you have to create. Generally, in my sessions, you have to create Azure and AWS account. Okay. So every class, I cannot show with my own email ID, because email ID will be one time validated. I mean, one time we can use the email ID. Second time, same email ID we cannot use and we cannot create actually. Everyone know. Maximum people know. Minimum 50% of this 65 out of 65 people, half of people know that one email ID will take only one time for AWS or Azure account creation. That is the reason, for the reference purpose, for AWS account creation reference purpose, I will explain you some. If someone student provided me their email ID, I will explain you those things also in live. No, Saishi, we are ready to go with the recording and we will complete the sign up process. If that batch says that, if they agree with that and they not ready to share email ID with me, in that agree with that agreement only, I'll ask my team members to add AWS account creation and Azure account creation. This is the only one other time where you will see recording videos in my case, I mean in my folder. Remaining all you can check, it will be timestamp. Every month you'll see, I mean every month, every batch new live classes only I'm explaining. Okay, check with him. Giving wrong information is not correct, right? I'm keeping my efforts. AWS, Azure account creation, and one real-time project. These are the three places. Okay, sorry guys, others you are holding for a long time. Sorry for that. Let us go with the session. Okay. So myself, Sai Sri, have overall 10 plus almost 11 years of experience in IT, only IT. And I mean, initial days of my career started with the big data only. After that, completely before lockdown, almost completely, I moved to Snowflake, because the reason, because why I moved from big data to Snowflake means cloud technologies. I'm looking for cloud technologies and interested for the cloud, because future is dependent on cloud technologies. That made me to look at the cloud technologies. In that case, I completely moved my career to Snowflake. So from 2020 onwards, almost 2020 mid lockdown period onwards, I'm giving trainings on this Snowflake only. At that time, initial days, only Snowflake I used to provide. Later on, I added AWS, later on Azure, later on DBT. Like this, the days, when the days are going, I am observing in the live, I mean, in live, in my projects, I'm saying, in my projects, whatever the live experience I'm seeing, and what combinations will help for the coming up interviews. Because I never work on the today's work. Okay, today, how my project is there, today's project related, I'll take 50%. Next 50%, it will help me for next coming up requirements or not. Because every day now, if you observe, companies are changed a lot. Policies are hundred, lot of changes happen in the policies also. Bench policies or project policies, so many. So now we should be in the stage at any time, any month, any day. We should be ready for interview. Okay, we are ready for interview, but opportunity is also important, right? We should be ready. We should ready for interviews. The same time, market also should be able to provide us more opportunities. These two combinations I used to take care. Generally, my career I'm saying. So like that only I am focusing to my students' career also same way. How my profile is prepared, how I am preparing for future career steps, like what protection, how I am taking for my career. Same way, I also improved my course, because what are the trend is going on which cases you'll get more opportunities, which pipelines, which combination will help more for your profile. Suppose Snowflake with the Databricks, it won't work. This combination very, very rarely will use in projects. There's no, but PySpark with Databricks, it will work properly. Like that, Snowflake works with which technologies in real time, what companies are expecting. Those things I focused and I prepared all this syllabus, okay? And everything I experienced, after that experience, I explored in the what will say trainings. Okay, so I'm the real time working person. That is the reason timings also evening time little bit changed because of my project. So this you can, I mean, you can ask me any live related, interview related, any questions you can ask. Once my session is completed, you can go with your questions. Okay. So everyday live sessions will happen. If someone is saying any wrong information, please contact me. I have all the proof in the recordings, everything. Don't go with the wrong updates. Okay. I like literally, like, we are doing hard work, right? We cannot take that much easily. Okay, fine. Let us leave from that part. If I go with a detailed level, mainly the questions I will observe. I'm non-IT. I am coming from different technologies. I have a lot of experience. I have very less experience. These kind of questions only I will hear from the people maximum. So guys, first of all, now IT was changed. I have to go with the live things, what is happening in the market. Maximum people knows that, but who don't know, I'm saying. Almost IT combination process, everything. Now IT companies are different. 10 years or 5 years back, lockdown time, IT companies are different. Okay. So I know this much, I know these technologies, I'll stick with these technologies. Means nobody will nobody will take you easily to their companies. Nobody will hire you properly, I mean fastly, or demanding won't be there for your profile. Demand will reduce. So you have to increase your profile demand first of all. When you will increase the demand on your profile means when you go with the updated technologies. Okay, so if I take my career, when I worked with Snowflake, only Snowflake I used to work, only Snowflake, no other technologies. That moment, that is the way how we used to do, only Snowflake. After when the companies have started taking care of other technologies, Snowflake with AWS. Sorry. After that, DBT came into the picture. Now Snowflake DBT with Azure. Azure also mainly ADF. I'm going to teach you ADF only. Actually, Azure means entire cloud provider. I'm not going to teach you because if I teach you entire cloud provider, you're not Snowflake developer. Azure developer will become entire AWS. Then it will become like AWS profile developer. We are Snowflake developers. This all the combinations. Okay, so I'm going to and SQL. This is the only requirement we have in our Snowflake. Okay, this combination is 100% enough to get the opportunities. Maybe some people recently, my student within 10 days he got the offers, two offers. What you say, and another company is Sinor, other one more company, mid-level company. So two companies he got. Generally, I'm saying both are giving almost equal packages only. So within 10 days is not small deal, right? So like that, if you have content, very easily to get the job. Maybe some people will go with the 10 interviews, some people will go with the 5 interviews. That is a different case. Depend your bit luck, a bit and more hard work. Bit luck and more hard work is also important. Okay, if you are good with the SQL, yes, you are done 50%. Remaining 50% you have to depend on me. Once I completed classes, you'll good with that. So then now, what about the SQL? Sai Sri, I'm not totally out of this. I don't know what is SQL basics also. Few people I know SQL, but not I'm not pro. Like this, different combinations will be there, right? So our team already anyway the Karthik will give update on this also. Our team will provide the SQL classes recordings to you. Okay, SQL is already classes are there done by Raj. So Raj classes will be provided to you. So you will take you have to take care about your SQL learning on regular basis. 10 recordings is completed means you are not pro in SQL. Nobody are pro in SQL. Any language I'm saying, even our normal English or Telugu or Kannada, anything. You have to practice, right? So regular practice if you do, my mainly my course will complete in 2 months almost there and here with weekends all this. 2 months is more than enough to become a pro in SQL. Every day you have to practice. Okay, that's the important step you have to take from your side. Then Azure. Why Snowflake is the main important technology we are going to use. I mean, it's a main. You are the Snowflake developer. You will go outside after completing this course. You will go with the data engineer or data analyst or Snowflake developer or cloud engineer. Like this your job titles will be there. Okay, so purely you are Snowflake developer, that's it. Okay, you will work as a Snowflake developer. You cannot jump there and here. That is the main core. After that, to load the data, okay, the combination will be AWS using Snowpipe. Right now you don't know anything, that's fine. And the combination, if some projects will be the combination of ADF for loading the data. So for that purpose, I'll use AWS and Azure. and DBT for transformations. This. So you are not relevant to your techno cloud or IT or whatever it may be, 100% no problem, because I'm going from scratch. SQL, our team is taking care, right? Even I'll also suggest you some ways how to practice if you are not able to pick up. That's my job. I will do it. Then I will give opportunity to talk. Let me complete my flow. So whatever you blockers you have to learn SQL, let me know. I will help you. A person to person learning process will be different. Remaining Snowflake, AWS, DBT, Azure. What are the required things you have to cover to get into the interviews? Everything I will cover, guys. So first leave that question. I'm not belongs to this. Okay, when I'm learning, I'm also not belongs to Snowflake, right? Everyone same position only. Zero. Everyone have to start zero. You have to take the interest, just interest. If you keep interest, already before starting after this demo, if you connect with my team, also admin team, they will provide some sample 4 or 5 previous classes recordings also. You can go through it as much as possible. I'll go with the simple, easy way, but I will cover the content. Very normal language, very simple, very easy way to understand with the examples like that. I will do the class. I'll go with each and every point. Okay, but you have to keep the interest after the class. You have to practice it. You have to understand it, not by heart it. You have to understand the concept properly. And still you have doubts, next day you can come, you can ask. After 1 week, after 1 month, 1 year, no problem for me. So that is the only thing you have to do. So leave the question here itself. I'm not belongs to this technologies. Okay. That's the first thing. Then what is pre-request? Again, one more question. Nothing is a pre-request. I'm saying, right? You are zero right now means no problem. Our team is covering this and I will cover this. So no need of any pre-request. If you know how to join in the classes, how to listen, how to walk through my classes and practice, this is the enough. This interest is enough from your side. Nothing I'm expecting from you. Okay. And scratch level anyway. And okay, let us go with the real time. Why Sai Sri? Okay, this all okay, fine. Snowflake is trending. Still, why I need to learn Snowflake? I have so many cloud technologies, right? I have Databricks, I have AWS, I have Azure, GCP. In that also Redshift. Like there's so many cloud technologies are there. First of all, why I need to learn Snowflake? Can I choose any other technologies? This kind of questions also I will hear. Before going to that, who is don't know anything, right? For them it will be helpful. Let us discuss why Snowflake come into the picture. First of all, database. Okay, database is actually OLAP concept. Sorry, OLTP. Sorry, OLTP concept. Online transaction process. Generally, you will transfer your money phone pay to other banks, right? You immediately check your balance. Anyway, everyone will do. If you check your balance, you will get the after whatever transaction happen minus amount and final amount will be displayed here, right? Immediately, you won't take 1 day, 1 month updates, nothing. In old days they used to update manually, so it used to take some time, but now within fraction of seconds transfer is completed or someone transferred to us. Both the cases within seconds you are getting even it is not taking at least our phone how much time it will take for ring, that much time also it is not taking, very immediately it is happening, so seconds only. So that is real time. Okay, the amount what is updating in your bank, how you are observing that bank balance, that amount is a real time. It is not taking time. Immediate change, right? So banking related services maximum will work with the real time. That kind of data we will store in the databases. Okay, to capture the real time data, we will take the support of database. That is called online transaction process. Okay, then this is fine. Then what is data warehouse? In this data warehouse, what is the purpose of data warehouse? Okay, live data we can capture with the database, fine. Now let us come with our real, our life, general normal life, festivals time or any time, online shopping. Generally, how we are doing through the apps only. Am I right? So credit cards, not only online shopping. You can go with credit cards or what we'll say insurances. Some companies, so many are there, so many things are there to compare. But let us take e-commerce side. Generally, you are doing a lot of shopping, right? If you don't do shopping yearly, once you purchase also, but finally, if you open your Amazon account or any e-commerce account, what you are observing first of all, the products which is near to you, your observations, your what you are, your age base or gender base, or else your whatever is searching in the Google, based on that keywords, you are getting lot of products in the Amazon, right? Mintra or Amazon, wherever it may be, right? How it is generating? It's not, the Amazon people don't know you, right? Still, how the things are happening, right? If they are giving offer related information, if women means women related products, gents means gents related, kids related. So based on your one time search or Google search or anywhere you are searching, it is capturing that keywords and it is giving the products near to your life, right? Lifestyle, whatever it may be. So okay, this is also, let us keep aside. You are searching for one product, okay, you are leaving it again and again. If whenever you are open, so for long time it will show the product related information, right? How it is happening? Okay, that is also, let us keep aside. Suppose you purchased one product this last year, it's a poor quality, you gave back it. Again, the same product, if you check now, it is a good quality. How this improvement is happening? You are not saying to Amazon people directly, to company, you are not complaining, right? Or product owner who prepared that product, you are not complaining, just you are rating and you are leaving your comment or rating, something rating, you'll give less rating. Or sometimes good product you'll give good comment, or if you don't give comment also, rating. Okay, so how this all is happening? Because if one product is failed in the market, first of all, e-commerce site, any business person will look at their analysis. Okay, business, how business analytics is very, very, very important. Not today, guys. You go with 20 years, 30 years back also, one shop, normal shop will be there, right? Based on that area, based on the people thought and what they are eating, based on that what they are dressing, on basis of that, the shop people used to get the products. Am I right? If we are in Andhra, means Andhra related clothes. Shop will be, they are coming from Jaipur or wherever, but the people are going to sell our clothes. What we are wearing, what we are interested to take, like that shopping. If they go to their state, that state related clothes. So it's not happening from today. Long back, this analysis is happening on the customers. But today, we came into the cloud technologies. We came into the advanced this part, right? World. That's the reason. The same work what previously shop people used to. These people used to do shop related people, the same work now IT companies are doing. Analysis or data analysis. It may be any data. Why products are rejected? Why products are accepted? Why the product is not selling? Why product is selling a lot? The offer, which product I want to keep the offers. Everything is depending on the analytics. Okay, without analytics, no businessman can do the business. Everyone knows this, including every person who don't know the even our English also. They don't have education also. Everyone knows that, right? Everyone have their own strategies on their business. The previous is a manual work. Now it's the analytics is happening in our systems. That's it. So to do that analytics, we are using data warehouse. Here we will say OLAP. Don't feel bored. Who is coming very background, no IT or any knowledge, for them it will be helpful. So online analytics process. Now, okay, SaiSri, fine. Online analytics processes for data warehouse. Why still I want to use Snowflake only? I don't have anything. So many technologies are there. Informatica, Redshift, even Databricks will come. Like the so many technologies are there. BigQuery. If you search, so many technologies are there. But who will take the decision? Not you and me. Not we are not. If we take which technology we are comfort, we'll sit with that technology generally. So client will take the decision. Client will take the interest on these technologies. So when the lockdown starts, before lockdown also Snowflake is there. Many people don't know that keyword. Snowflake is not today's. Before lockdown also Snowflake is there. But very, very, very less companies focused on this. Okay, after with the time of lockdown, companies and even our employees also came to understand cloud playing important role. Cloud only playing the important role. Okay, because of virtual jobs, all this. So that lockdown changed the future of Snowflake. Before it is there, not clicked much because many people are already available with their old technologies. Nobody is interested to change. When lockdown started, people started at the cloud. In that R&D, clients showed a lot of interest on Snowflake because of Snowflake benefits. First benefit, it's a cloud. Why Snowflake means? Why only Snowflake means? Cloud. First of all, cloud. That's the reason people chose it. Cloud. It's a cloud data warehouse. Okay. Still, only this is the advantage? No. We have in Snowflake, it's a very straightforward. First of all, if one technology is clicked in the market means client is happy with the technology, not employees. Employee will come in the second part. Client is happy with the technology. Mainly cost. Cost management is there. Means how much you are using, that much only you have to pay. And compatibility means it can connect with the Azure combination, AWS combination, GCP. If you take only Redshift always will follow the AWS because AWS service is providing the Redshift, for example. But it's not like this. Cloud is having, Snowflake will go with the, or Snowflake can host on all the three cloud providers. Not only one region, multiple region. Wherever you have this cloud provider, everywhere Snowflake can host. It's a easy GUI. Even compare for not only clients, it's so suitable for employees also. Easy to learn, easy to explore, easy to use. Okay, Saish, how you are saying client, even employees means? See, along with this Snowflake, in the middle, Fighter and Matillion also came into the picture. It's a ETL tool. That's a different story. And not we are not getting much opportunities on that. Why Matillion Fighter not clicked too much? Not like Snowflake, they are not standard. They are not like one or two projects is there like that. Why? Because GUI is not that much easy. It's not much straightforward. Every developer is not comfort with that. Every project is not smooth. So project should run in a smooth way. In that, Snowflake is giving a lot of smooth roads to get any kind of solution. So Snowflake is completely working like a cloud database plus data warehouse. Now you will say, Sai Sri, then database means it is also capturing OLTP. See, database means why I said database here specifically means cloud Snowflake have capability to store the data and work on the analytics. Some warehouses, some data warehouses concept, they don't have this capability. There's a chance, but Snowflake completely just give the data to me. I will take care about the data. I will work on the analytics. End-to-end work is happening here. That is the reason. Not only that one option, you can connect with 100 plus sources. Okay, this all benefits are there, guys. 100 plus sources, it can connect. Different way may be different, but hundreds sources, different reporting tools it can connect. So it's like all rounder. So still I want to believe your words means you no need to believe me. If really Snowflake is not good technology, we won't find that many opportunities. First of all, we are able to see the opportunities means client done a lot of R&D than me. Okay, Santosh, please don't adjust it. So mainly client done a lot of hard work. Why client done a lot of hard work? They are investing, right? They're investing on one technology. We are just resources. We are just employees. This company is rejecting means we will go to next company. This technology is failed means we will go to next technology. For us, not that much deal. Maybe so 1 or 2 months we will struggle. But client is investing the money and investing. He is investing on for their business. Every rupee is required for that. Every rupee they will check we are spending on the correct basis or not. So in that case, client already done a lot of R&D. Nothing to do from your side. It's already good in market. They're comfort with the project. That is the reason you are ready. If you learn Snowflake, it will be good to your career. Okay. Personally, again, still you have any issue, your career profile related issues, speak with me personally. But overall, for everyone, this will be benefit only. Technology will be benefit. And packages, yes. Now market is low. Actually, as per IT, companies started understanding what is the unnecessary resources they are doing layoffs, and they are not paying good salaries because they are very restricted. I mean, they're taking a lot of care on their money also. Now companies change it. After 4 years, now companies working in a different direction. Okay. So in that case also, still opportunities are there. Salaries also, minimum hike they will provide. You already have 30 lakhs package means Based on your experience, experience matters, guys, everywhere. Based on your experience, 35 minimum they will provide. But if I go to other technologies, if you have 30 minutes, they're not ready to give 25 also. Because demand is less for your technology. Snowflake is all rounder. Anytime you will have project, right? Our payrolls also will invest on us. So this all combinations wise I'm saying this is safe for minimum 10 years. Already 5 years I enjoyed. Coming up 10 years I don't want to change. It's good. Why Sai Sri, you are really sure Snowflake never changes means? I'm sure because if you observe Informatica or any other technologies, minimum 10 to 15 years they won't change. If they're comfort, they won't change the technology. Migration is not small part, guys. It consume a lot of cost for the client. That is the reason as of now, comparing to Snowflake, no other new technology will replaced in place of Snowflake. That kind of migration not happened as per my information, my knowledge. No, I didn't see any Snowflake is removed and another technology they're replacing. This kind of projects only I didn't see till now. My case, I'm saying my knowledge wise, my knowledge I'm saying. So like that. So minimum 10 years you can stay here. No need to worry on your profile. Okay, but how you are making your foundation is totally in your hands. So this is the reason, guys. You have to if you learn Snowflake, it will be benefit to you. Okay, let me come out from there. If I go deep level, please don't touch the screens. I will be problem here. Yeah. So yeah. If I compare with traditional data architecture, okay. If I compare with this, what is the difference? Means already traditional also we have data warehouses. Everyone knows that, but comparing to traditional will support only limited sources, then it semi-structures, and we cannot share the data easily. But Snowflake is supporting the structured and semi-structured data and 100 plus sources, and we can share the data very easily with a secured way. That is the reason. There we got the solution. Where we are facing issue, solution is there. Scale and speed issues. Generally, if you go with the traditional, whenever the suddenly your resource data increases means it's your responsibility to increase the space also. That's the reason people will say out of storage, servers are down, this kind of words you will listen generally. But in Snowflake we won't listen because always Snowflake will be automatically how much resources is required to execute the query, it can provide automatically, no need of manual dependency. And size of the storage also, based on your data increasing, automatically it will increase the size. If data decreased, automatically it will decrease. So client or developers or admin, nobody have to take care of this. It's an automatic process. Okay. And complexity of infrastructure, no complexity, because in traditional we have to set up the hardware, we have to set up the software, right? Installations, version updates, this all will be there. There is no software updates, there are no version control in our Snowflake. Directly it's just one Gmail how you'll open, like that we will open the Snowflake account, that's it. So I said tomorrow I want to upgrade my version, no versions here. In Snowflake, we are using the editions method. Edition 1, edition standard edition, enterprise edition, business critical edition. That's it. One edition you will pick and you will work on that directly. You means not you. Your client will subscribe to one edition, one account will be set up on one edition only. That will be continued. If new features are added, automatically that features will add to your account. No need of any upgrades. Version 1, version 2.0, then nothing is there for us. It's just straightforward. Okay. Maintenance, 50% maintenance done by cloud service layer only. 50%, we have to, as a developer, you have to take care about only the logics, SQL queries, what your company team is asking, that related logics, creating the SQL queries, creating the pipelines, that's it. Maintenance, maybe privileges maintenance, maybe account security maintenance, this all, lot of maintenance is done by Snowflake only. Okay. Languages, generally it will mainly the Snowflake is created on SQL native only, so SQL will be the first priority. In real time also we'll use SQL. Okay. And limited queries. Here in this technology traditional, we have limited queries, limited users concept. But in our Snowflake, we don't have any limited, unlimited queries, unlimited users you can use. Unlimited data also it is allowed. Okay, so automatically maintenance can be done by Snowflake account. That's the reason, as per your expectation, it can increase or it can decrease the resources. So that is also automatic process. So no limitations for us queries or user level. Like this, lot of benefits are there, guys. Okay, this is the Snowflake platform. Okay, so generally this is not exactly. Again, we have. Okay. So different sources, maybe OLTP basis, enterprise application, third party, web applications, like any data sharing on anything it will support, guys. But the option will be different. No, many projects now coming with the combination of source, any source plus any cloud provider plus a Snowflake. That combination is also it will support. No, Sai Sri, I don't want like that. Directly means ODBC connection, JDBC connection, connectors, ServiceNow connectors, like many Postgres SQL connectors like this we have. So all the combination you no need to worry about the source all. And it's a one-time setup. Your project entire team will sit and will decide. It's not like one man show and every day we won't work. It's a one time. But that's the reason companies are ready to take up the Snowflake. Okay. And data consumers. You go with the Tableau, I mean reporting tools, data science, any combination of tools to generate the reports are next level data science people, like that anyone can consume the data with a secured way. Okay, and we can host on any cloud provider. You may get confusion what is hosting. Later on I will explain coming up first class, second class, I will give details on that. Okay, so that's the reason we will call actually before data science. Now I know many people are saying what is the best technology means data science, ML, AI. Don't what are the things available in that they don't know. Just they will mention data science is a good in the market. In the data science, lot of things are there. Just not data science like that. For data science people also they want data. Who will provide the data? Directly they are not taking from the source. In the middle, data engineer is important. So data engineer will provide the data to data science. So data science is in the market. It is giving high packages. All this is okay. But what modules is making them to get the high packages? Every data science life is, I mean, the developer's life won't be same, not same knowledge. But and also not only data science, data engineer roles also high in the market. How SaiSri means data science people should work means the best data engineer should ready the data. Data engineer will pick the data from client source location and will do all the structured work, all the analytics, whatever the business logic, those data they are providing to data science. So in middle we are there. That's the reason we are the data engineers. We will call as the data engineers. I mean, data engineer means big data will come, Snowflake will come, so many technology will come. Snowflake developer means only we will come. Cloud engineer also one of our technology is there. So heading will be different, but our technology is included in all combination. That's the reason I'm saying data engineer after only data science will come into the picture. So almost it is demanding technology in the market. Okay, like this if I say a lot of the information is there in market, guys. We cannot discuss everything here with a short time. So I said, right, we have already editions, no need to worry about versions. This is the editions. Standard, enterprise, business critical, and virtual private. So this edition will help us. Okay, standard edition will help us to get the basic features. Business critical will help us, which is not having sensitive data, but huge data is there, not sensitive. But those businesses, enterprise is best. It have sensitive data, then that case business is critical is best. No, I don't want any addition. I want totally entire setup should be separate without any like independent, like that in any private setup. If you want virtual VPS also they will provide. I didn't see this combination projects. Mainly enterprise will be the most commonly used I mean addition in our Snowflake. After that business critical, because whenever the features will be same, almost these two will be same. The extra feature is what was the security. Already it is providing security, but sensitive data means banking related data. Some more extra security it will provide. For that reason, the dollar also increased. Here $3, here $4. There's a difference actually. Okay, so this is one. And if I compare with Redshift and same almost Redshift or Teradata, Teradata means I'll get one example only, mainly backup. Ask anybody Teradata backup process. People will say, I mean, my students actually gave me a lot of information about Teradata. He is also Teradata guy. If they want to take the Teradata backup, they want to do a lot of round trip and weekends time only they used to do. These dependencies are there, admin team, all this. But if you go to Snowflake and you do backup without knowing to your colleague also, within seconds you can do the backup with the time travel. Like there's so many concepts you can compare. Benefits are there in Snowflake. Okay, they made it as advanced concepts only, not like intermediate. So what is the difference if you see means if both the Teradata or Redshift or any other technologies combining compute layer and storage layer. Compute layer means which executes the query. Storage layer to store the data. These two used to be handled with the bundle method together. But Snowflake it's a separate. That is the reason the performance also will be good in the Snowflake because compute layer is designed separately, storage also separate. Both are separate. That is the reason it will makes like more performance part, high in the performance. Okay, so no separate workloads. Here separate workloads. It cannot handle the semi-structured data. It can handle, and it suits for only AWS account. It suits for all the all the account. Like this, lot of differences are there, guys. And maintenance also you will forget maintenance here. Here no maintenance. Why zero maintenance? Why you are saying zero maintenance? Without maintenance, no technology means? Yes, I will agree. Zero maintenance is there. Why? Because cloud service like layer is taking lot of what will say responsibility. That is the reason it's near to zero maintenance. Same like Teradata also. If you compare, same. Okay, performance wise or compute layer, storage layer here also tightly linked, but Snowflake separately. Semi-structured data, if you want to extract it, you will get struggle. Here, no struggles. You can easily understand. You can easily complete. Performance issue. Here you will face. In Snowflake, maximum performance issue won't face because of compute layer separation and storage. Not only that, even virtual warehouse also working as a multi-clustering concept. That is the reason you won't face that much issue. Management, hardware setup, this all are completely vanished in the Snowflake. So almost automatic services. So if you have any services also, automatically it will update. You no need to do anything backend. Okay. So guys, today demo, right? I'm trying to give all some information, but it's a high level only. Who is not understanding, you have to wait 1 or 2 classes. I'll go deep level of the subject. Okay. Today, if I go with the subject, it won't suitable. That's the reason. Okay. This is our Snowflake with with this link only. Just we can log in into the Snowflake account. Very easy steps. See, you have to fill your I am using the same mail ID from almost so many years back. I created that mail ID. Still, I'm using. So one mail ID can create 100 times 200. I mean, 100 accounts, 200 accounts also. No problem. Okay. One mail ID is enough to create. So for AWS, Azure, DBT, all this, every time for new account, if you want, you have to change your email ID. But for Snowflake, no need. Only you have to give your personal mail ID you can give. You have to give properly because it will get the activation link. So first name, last name, work email ID. Okay, company, any company you can give. I'll give this as shortcut and developer dev. Okay. See, by most popular, that's the reason by default it is providing, but you can switch it to business critical. You can switch it to anything. No problem. Okay. And as I mean, these are free trial account, right? You can switch, but in real time, they won't decide like this based on the business, what they are expecting. All the heads will be set in, and they will decide one time to set up the account. It's not that much easy for real time. The heads means technical people, product owner, like that high level people will sit and will decide to set up the AWS, I mean Snowflake account. Okay, and cloud provider. This I want to explain you very deep level but I cannot do right now. It takes a lot of time. In the first class, when we are going with the classes, first class I will explain you. So here you can take any cloud provider. On top of this, it is going to host. Okay. And we have to say agree the conditions. I can explain you, but if it kills our time, I cannot respond to your questions, general questions. So sign up. You will get the activation link. Just we will have to activate. That's it. Very simple. See, setup only is how simple it is. I got 26 messages. Please hold for some time. I'll clarify all your doubts. So I'll get activation link. Just I have to activate it. See, see. Okay, 1 minute. Still I didn't get down. If it is expired also, you'll get the message like this. Trial account is ended. So how many days I can expect this account means? I mean, only actually this account, I mean, whenever whatever the free trial account we are creating, it will be available only for 30 days. After 30 days, again one more account. I created so many accounts with one mail ID. Every time when it expires, you have to create the one more account, okay? With the same email ID. Mail IDs, you no need to change anything. Just you have to use the same mail ID and you can create. I think it takes 1 or 2 minutes to get the link activation link. Okay, I'll take care about that. Okay, I know everyone is waiting for your questions. 1 minute. Yeah, I'm doing unmute. You can ask one by one. Please ask the question. Okay. Meanwhile, you can ask the questions one by one.
Hi, Sai Sri.
Hi, hi. Tell me.
I do have around 13 years of experience.
Okay.
I'm wanted to switch into Snowflake actually. So my question here is, since you see from 4 years or 5 years, a Snowflake is predominant actually. So probably even if I put my experience as 4 years experience into my experience, can I bang a call or job in that scenario? Or will they give the package what I'm expecting rather than giving it to a guy who is 4 years experienced?
Okay. Your profile is not new to me because I handle this kind of profile with the 10 years.
Yeah,
So I have to check little bit deep level, like when your career started, how many companies you changed.
yeah.
According to that, I can plan you. Why plan? I can plan. Just I cannot take like left rough figure like 13 years. What you done previously, what companies, how many days you work. If I get that much high level details, I
My
will help you.
yeah,
Better we can talk like separately because it will be helpful for you, right? You can ask all the details clearly.
yeah, okay, Sai.
Okay, admin will help you to with my contact. Just
Yeah,
connect with
sure.
me because I have to understand. I cannot give wrong information immediately.
Okay, thank you,
But
thank you.
that is possible because in my session, 10 years, 12 years is there. People are there. They are able to do the Snowflake jobs.
Mm,
Almost fourth batch or third batch, I think so. That person, Venkat, someone, he is having 10 years experience. He is able to crack the interview very quickly. Not a problem.
okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll show you the Venkat review also, no issues. So I have just like dropped you message personally, okay? Just share me your name and WhatsApp number personally, so that like
Yeah,
I
Yeah.
can help you to connect with the trader personally, so that like you can clear all your doubts also.
Hi.
yeah,
That will.
okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Uh, So I hope everyone shared the number because team is waiting. If you share, you will get the coming up classes related details also. Yeah, someone raised your hand, please. Ahmad, can you go with your question, please? You're waiting for
Yes,
long.
see, my major question is like the three skills which we are going to learn: SQL,
Mm,
DBT,
ADF, ADF also.
ADF also. So, do you think do we need to learn Python on top of it?
Uh, it's a separate personal interest, totally.
Okay,
Okay.
totally personal interest, and
To personal
also,
interest because I'm also not belongs to Python developer. I mean, I'm not good with the Python. Still, I'm able to get a good opportunities only. If you have, for example, you are pro in SQL.
hello.
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, you're audible. Yeah.
What happened to him? Ahmed, are you there? I don't know. Let him come back. One more question. Akbar or someone need to learn SQL or PLSQL. Purely SQL. Don't think about no SQL, PLSQL, any other SQL means don't think about that concept. Only SQL related, normal SQL. Okay. And Mohammed also asked us, Snowpark is a must to get a job. I'm not Snowpark. What is the Snowpark? Actually, what is Snowpark? If we go with that direction, Snowflake plus Spark concept, big data actually. Spark is big data related concept. Okay. Now Snowpark came into the. It's like an update on the Snowflake side also. They're trying to go with ML and A also. If I go to my account, I got. I think yeah, my account is activated. I mean, I got activation link. Click to activate. Open anyway. Let me show you guys. Once I will sign up and I'll talk again. So here you have to give your username. Okay. Comfort with Snowflake is it will take one mail ID multiple for multiple accounts. Every time it won't ask you different mail IDs, right? So you can feel comfort with this account. Yeah. So not only Snowpark, we have A and ML also. Like this new things also it is trying to involve. Who is working with ML and AI? For them, Snowpark will be good to go. Okay. For Snowflake developers, actually this option only we won't touch in real time also. Okay, so that is the reason I'm not including in my course Snowpark. If I go to Snowpark, I have to go with the Spark concepts. The totally profile will be different. So students are coming to take a step with a new technology. They should first they have to become as a Snowflake developers. Then in future, if you have interest, then you can shift to Snowpark. Now it's not right to directly jump with the Snowpark. It's not relevant to us. Simple. Okay. I am also not working with Snowpark. Purely Snowflake only. Clear, Mohammed?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Why I'm
that is the
asking
reason.
is, for
Sorry.
while working on stored procedures things that Snowpark will be
So
helpful in that sense.
no. I'm working in real time right now. Current project I'm working with store processor to load the data from dev to prod. Purely SQL you can use. If you are maximum SQL is the first preference language in store processor. Second preference JavaScript. JavaScript means I don't know JavaScript means don't think like what JavaScript at the back end writing, not that JavaScript. Generally store procs also we can use JavaScript, variables equal to all this that they are using. But for my students, clearly I will say stick with SQL only because 10 projects is there means as per my experience and what I am observing is 8 projects, minimum 8 projects, they will go with SQL language of store procs only. That's it. We don't have any connection with store procs with Snowpark. Okay.
Yeah,
So
thank you.
no problem. So many people I will have doubt. Leave about Snowpark. This simple. I don't want to drag this. Yeah. Next person, Prasad, basic SQL means, 1 minute, I'll come to your question. Basic SQL won't work here, delete, truncate, not like that. Joins, CTEs, arrays, case statements, string functions, like this you have to learn, minimum knowledge, okay? Intermediate knowledge is good to go with the SQL. Yeah, come to your question,
Yeah.
please.
Yes, Sri, actually, this is Prasad. Just to add
You
one
tell
more
me,
thing.
Prasad. Okay.
Yeah. So you said we will use DBT and ADF, right? I think ADF is also a cloud ETL tool in Azure, and DBT is also kind of is it a ETL
Yeah.
thing?
Yeah, good question. I understood. ADF is already ETL tool. Snowflake is ETL and ELT. Both we will say generally. But maximum pipelines will be like ELT only, generally. So I will
Okay.
agree. Azure Data Factory is a 100% ETL tool. It have the capability to to do transformations also. That is clear.
Okay.
But companies are not like going with ADF for the transformation. Completely they will use for loading purpose. If they are
Oh,
already working with Azure combination projects generally, they are using ADF comparing to Snowpipe. Snowpipe is already available in Snowflake technology, okay, which is continuous data loading. But
okay.
ADF will be like to handle the huge data. ADF will be more powerful for the copy activity purpose only. Right now, ADF included in pipeline, Snowflake related projects. That's it. No transformation. If I do transformation there, then there is no use of Snowflake again.
Yes,
And
yes.
if you see
That's
ADF, if you go with the deployments, I worked with the ADF, completely ADF related Snowflake and ADF projects. When we are working with the projects, we want deployment support also. What I feel means for transformations, you should be handy for every developer, depending on us, right? That the comfort is not there with ADF. Azure is, Snowflake is giving that all comfort zone. That is
okay.
also one option.
Okay, okay.
Certain
In that case, we are using, we are loading the source
copy
to,
activity. Yeah,
yeah, yeah,
Snow data
we are
will come
using
to source data will push into blob storage system. Blob
by
will
using
be
ADF.
low. ADF. That is
Yeah.
depends on the project. Every time I can
Okay.
also yes, ADF also can do that, but any other options
Okay.
also they can do. But
Okay.
for our jobs mainly we will involve once the data is available in blob storage system, it's our responsibility to push into the Snowflake storage layer by using ADF. That's the main critical part we will do.
Okay, okay, okay. Once it is come to Snowflake, then we are using DBT to transform data,
That
right?
is extra, yeah, transformation. Every project won't go to DBT again. That is also
Okay.
against project options only. I mean, people, they
Uh-huh.
will decide, no?
Uh-huh.
That based on.
Okay, okay,
But if it
okay.
is a
Fine.
huge project,
Mhm.
companies will prefer DBT. Huge project. I mean, project is huge. I mean, not only data, different departments also will be involved, right? Some cases, one project, but multiple departments, multiple tables. That combination,
Mhm.
there's a chance of DBT also, maximum.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, got it, Sai Sri. Yeah, thank you.
That is also cloud. DBT is also cloud, guys. Everything cloud only. Okay.
Okay, okay.
And SQL is not covering in this batch. Pratik. Okay. Not only this batch, from batch 1 onwards, Raj already taught the classes. I mean, he have already his own sessions, SQL sessions. So additionally, our team is providing to you. Okay, that is additional work we are doing for students to make the comfort. They cannot search outside and they cannot learn, right? So first, let us giving in at least some bit good knowledge. Good knowledge we are providing. Okay, based on that knowledge, you can explore more. I think Karthik can explain you better than me for this SQL. Okay, later on he will talk on that. Yeah.
Hi
Other people.
everyone, this is Karthik. Just give me a moment. I'll just like tell you about this SQL and everything. Okay. See, to learn any cloud technology right now, you need SQL for sure. Without SQL, like we cannot go for it. That is the reason why we are offering the SQL program for free of cost. It is a complimentary training for you. Okay. As you are taking the Snowflake training from our end, we are offering the Oracle SQL training for you. It is for free of cost. It is a complimentary training. You will be having like around 15 hours of sessions. 10 videos will be available for you. You can access these videos for lifetime. Before starting the Snowflake, you should complete these classes and you should get ready. Okay. Initially, the first 2 weeks also the schedule will be very flexible for everyone because a few people see most of the people they know SQL. 50% of the people they don't know SQL. That is the reason why initially the classes will be a bit slow, and I'll give the schedule as well. Initial classes how it will be and everything. So as per that you can plan. I'm not sure like one student asked about if you're having a more experience like how it will be. You can see here Krishna Reddy, he is from batch 9. Okay, he is from batch 9, so his experience is like 15 years of experience. Okay, so his current package is 30 LPA. Whenever he's joining, he's also in the same doubt itself. I cannot get like more hikes even if I move the company, even if I add the technologies, even if I go to the any company also, they are not offering me more than this 30 LPA. And I want to be a team player only. He don't want to take any kind of lead position. He want to be a team player. That's it. That is the reason why he's not getting any opportunities in his current technology. Okay. But after learning the Snowflake here, you can see here his current package is 30 LPA. After like adding this Snowflake, he invested just 15,000 rupees here. That's it. And the 2 months of time. 2 months of time is more important. Okay. So he invested his 2 months of time and he got 37 LPA. Before completion of the batch itself, he got the opportunity.
Uh,
Okay. So this is
another
how it will be.
another question here, Raj.
Please, please.
Uh,
Yeah.
Raj, are you providing any material as such, any soft material or hard material?
Obviously, yes. See, whatever Sai Sri is going to teach you in the sessions, whatever the PPT is there, every PPT, notepad, whatever she is using in that particular session, everything you'll get it. Okay. Don't worry about that. Every
Okay.
session, not only one session or two sessions, every session you'll get it. You can check here the reviews also, how Sai Sri is getting the reviews here. You can just check here as well. Okay, so you can check, like personally they mentioned particularly as a Sai Sri as well. Okay, you can check out these reviews as well. If someone want, you can take the screenshots also. Okay, you can see here how the people have rated our Snowflake training right now, and you can search for the combination also. Snowflake, DBT, ADF, and AWS. Okay, this combination you just search in the Google, just like spend your 10 to 15 minutes of time and search in the Google. Nowhere you can find out this combination. If you found anywhere, just check the course curriculum. Okay, the price will be more than 35,000. Surely the price will be more than 35,000. As we committed, see, we started training from last 4.5 years. So okay, we started with only Informatica Power Center, and now we have almost 17 plus courses. Whatever the courses we started initially, whatever the price we decided on that day, the first batch, first day, okay, the same price we are offering till now. The 35 batches of Informatica Power Center, the same price. 15 batches of Informatica, sorry, 15 batches of Informatica Cloud, same price, and 14 batches of Snowflake, same price. We never changed the price. Okay, so the thing here is whatever we committed on the day one, the same commitment we are doing, and like whatever the latest things are coming up, we are updating our course curriculum and we are moving ahead. Okay, you can check out our reviews and everything here. Particularly on Snowflake, you can check out the complete things here. And I just like want to show you how the material and videos will be providing it to you also. Okay, I just like want to take a 1 minute of time and let's show you. You can see here, this is our website. Okay, right side top corner you can see sign up with Google. Click on just sign up with Google here. Okay, always use Google, sign in with Google. Okay, don't use this option, always use sign in with Google. Okay, yes, click on sign in with Google. If you have any Gmail ID logged in already, it will show you like this. These are the Gmail IDs logged in this particular Chrome browser to me, and this is my one. Okay, so if you have any other things, you can just like log in with your Gmail ID. If you haven't logged in yet, okay, just click on the mail ID. Just click on the mail ID. It will logging in. It will take a minute of time. You will get a separate new option here. Okay, you will get a separate new option called students. Okay, in the students, go to enrolled courses. In the students, go to enrolled courses. Okay, so here as I am the admin, I have all courses access, but you will be getting this one only. Snowflake DBT and ADF, batch number 13, batch number 14, batch number 15. Only this course you will be getting here. Okay, just click on the course. Just click on the course. You can see here start learning. Click on start learning. Click on start.
Please be on the mute. Someone.
Okay, so this is how you are going to get the recordings here. Okay, you can see the left side here, session 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. All the recordings will be uploading here. Sorry, 1 second. Yes, just click on the drop down. You can see, okay, introduction, roles and users part 2, architecture. In this way, each and every session will be titled and it will be given to you. Even one day before the interview also, if you want to recall the architecture, just click on the architecture and you can just revise the session. It will be very easy for you. You can see here, this is a video. Once I click on this, the video will be on right side. Below the video itself, you can get the material. You can see here, session 4 material. Click on download. If you click on download, it will redirect it to the materials page. See, so in the materials page, like what you can find here, I'll just open and show you also. I'll just open and show you also. Just give me a moment. Today my internet is a bit slow due to the climatic conditions. Please be with me. Okay, yes, 1 second is loading. Okay, so this is the PPT that she have explained in the architecture. Okay, in the architecture session. Okay, all this PPT also you are going to get it here. Okay, if she uses any notepad, you'll get the notepad also. Each and you can download this also. You can download this. You cannot download the video, but you can download the material. Okay, you have the download option here and you can download also. No need to worry about that. Okay, each and every session we'll provide you in the same way here how we have given. Okay, we will help you with the complete information. Got it? So still have any questions? Please ask.
Yeah, Raj Venkat this side. I have one
Please,
quick
Venkat. Yeah,
question.
go ahead.
As you said, one of these course ADF and AWS also will be covered. What are the topics will you cover part of this
Uh,
Snowflake?
coming
Sai
to
Sri,
that,
please
eh,
take over.
coming to that part, yeah, I saw your question in chat also. Yes, Snowflake is like already it is doing the data management and data warehouse concepts, right? Azure or AWS is only for the purpose of loading the data. That's it. We're not going to any AWS detailed services. In AWS, I will go with S3 bucket, how to set up the policies and the roles like that. That is important to connect with the Snowflake technology. And S3 bucket data will push into Snowflake using Snowpipe. That is one combination pipeline. Same like Azure Blob Storage will have files that also will push into Snowflake using ADF copy activities. So not only copy activities, some activities also I'll say that's different story. But no transformations, nothing is we are going to do. Any other services also I won't touch in both technologies.
Okay.
Hello.
Just a process from the
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello.
You
This
tell
is
me. Someone raised.
yeah. This is Hari. Actually, you have to discuss in the Python as well as in automation by using Snow Connect that like that.
No need of Python.
Uh,
SQL only. End-to-end. Anywhere I'll use. In even DBT also someone asked. There also SQL only. I won't use one line of Python also.
yeah. Someone asking the interview purpose. Do you know for Snowflake connection for the automation for purpose is asking.
Connectors are there. Let me show you. I mean, that's the reason. Project is not completely on our. I'll share my screen. Project is not completely on our decision, first of all, right? So,
Yeah.
based on our client sources, actually, client will take major role on this connectors, account setup, all this. Our involvement mainly will be like a SQL queries, how they are expecting, how that way we have to build the code transformation. That is the main our role will be played. But this whatever you are asking, that already some connectors they already added. Snowflake team, I mean, well, I'll show you connectors. So those connectors, minute, those connectors we can add. Python means why? I mean, I need like details like why we are choosing Python. There will be some details, right? Any requirement is there, or what source making them to. Suppose Oracle is there, MySQL Server is there, for example. I don't want any AWS also. Directly, I want to connect. We have connectors directly here. For that, no need of any Python. Some URLs, some credentials, some details is required from source side. Those we will replace.
SaiSri, sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah,
Tell
I'm
me.
sorry. I got from a manager, and so I had to mute myself.
Okay, you please ask the questions and we can.
So, like I was telling you, like regarding Python, as you said, that Python is not needed, not necessary. So these skills,
Yes.
whichever you are telling, is perfectly fine with DBT, ADF, Snowflake,
Yes.
and also like I have, I mean, I've learned SSIS and also SSAS, MSBI completely, SQL,
Okay.
Power BI. But then the challenge was I was facing is like I'm not from a technical background, so that was something that mm, that was holding me back to get a job. So with my skill sets currently, and also adding a Snowflake, DBT, and ADF, like what would be my chances?
You already like IACS now it's becoming like a, I mean my third before 3 years back I think so. IACS is the source for us actually. I mean Informatica. Okay, Informatica played as a source. So like that you can say you started. I mean I want to know more details of your profile, but general overview like I am giving. But you are working in Snowflake. Sorry, IACS. Later on you move to Snowflake. Okay, but the more opportunities are for more career benefits, you learned you involved with the Tableau or Power BI, whatever. Like that, you can go with the flow. It's all you cannot. You don't want to say I'm using everything because one developer won't work on all the stuff, right? First of all, it won't be like a real time stuff. Real-time.
it can be.
Yeah.
Can be. I was
Because
learning. I learned it because I was not
ah
getting many calls. I learned it, but then
okay.
eventually I got depressed because I was not getting enough calls. I don't know,
Yeah,
because
obviously.
maybe
Pow-
maybe because of
Power.
I could not like I don't know how to approach a recruiter, or like resume building was an issue, or
Okay.
maybe my non-technical background. So
Yeah.
that could be one of the reasons.
See,
So
some
with this,
cases, your resume, for general, I'm saying many combinations we will fail in the interviews, not one combination. Maybe sometimes resume, sometimes we are not projecting our skills properly,
yes,
or
that's
our
something.
bad luck, some tough or unrelevant person will come and will take the interview with the Google help. That is the worst thing will happen sometimes. That is, some cases will happen. Don't close my screen. I want to show you. So that is, I mean, that is the way many things will happen. But the best thing with the Snowflake is in all 10 interviews you take, 4 or 5 worst also, remaining 5 will be suitable to you. You can handle. At least
Okay.
after 10 interviews, 11th interview you can crack. Hope you
Uh,
can keep with the Snowflake mainly.
and also, like, I have done data warehousing completely on premises. I mean, on not learning purposes, not real time projects or something. But yes, I know like OLTP versus
So
OLAP.
yeah, your profile, go into your profile to separately, and we can design you in a different way because you learned from mainly you learned you don't have previous
Yeah,
experience, right?
yeah,
I have
yeah.
to filter all that, which way I can go with the combination. But Snowflake with whatever my course is there, that with
No,
Power BI will be good to go.
fine.
What yours?
If in case you want me to you want me to learn any additional skills from any other sources, like
Not
maybe
required. Already you have so many. Don't learn anything. Focus
I can
properly on this.
I'm ready to learn. That's not a problem for me.
No, no.
I'm ready
See,
to put in
focus on
this.
SQL. Once connect with me separately, our team will help you to connect with me. Let us
That is
discuss, then I can
that
give suggestion.
that is the major concern, because
Uh,
otherwise, see, there are multiple resources where I've learned it from my own, from YouTube and other resources. So with
Learning
Snowflake,
is so you have interest to learn, but what we are learning, you should be suitable to market, right?
that is what it is. That is where I'm lacking. I do not know
Yeah,
what is the demand and
I
how I
will.
can project myself.
Yeah,
So if in case you
I
can
will. I
help
will
me,
guide you. I'll guide you first.
that is the most important thing
I'll
for
help
me.
you. I understood properly.
Yeah, that is the
Sure,
most
sure.
important
But
thing
it's a
for me.
personal concern, right? That's the reason I'm not giving more elaboration on your profile.
No, I
Connect
got it.
separately in the
Yeah,
weekend time.
definitely.
Okay?
But I'm trying to tell you that what
Yeah.
exactly the problem. The objective would be, the objective to join this course would be
Yeah.
completely different.
Getting opportunities.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
and projecting
I'll
Hello.
myself, my
help you. It's
resume.
easy only. You're on the you're on the right track only. But some things we have to modify. It will be suitable for you. I'll explain you what you have to do, what way you'll get the benefit. I'll explain you all this.
Yes,
Hello.
thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes, please.
1 minute. I'll close this. Yeah, yeah. I will close with this small information. Someone asked about how we will connect, right? See, MySQL Server connector is there. For your understanding, I'm giving overview high level. Connectors are there. Your project high level people also have to take the decision which connect, what they're expecting, what connect generally. Like that, they will go with these connectors and they can connect directly. No need of Python. Everywhere Python is not important. Python is good language to learn. I will agree, it's always good to learn new things. But without Python, no Snowflake project means I won't agree with that. I'm working without Python only, right? From so many projects, I worked with that combination only. So, but generally, I'm saying if you want to connect with MySQL Server, directly I can install. I mean, generally backend we can install it. We can do configuration. Snowflake, even Snowflake support team also will help you to do that, how to connect with any connection issues is there means they will help you, support team will help you, generally backend stories will happen. So with the help of that we can connect with any new sources and we can do the very few sources. If you don't have any connectors, then the approach will be different. Same story won't be repeated for every technology. Depends on your technical sources system, we will change the process. That's it. Okay, clear? Without Python, there is a possibility of connectors. Yeah.
Is not required for any Python in Snowflake. Is it?
Yeah, I am working right now. Currently, I'm working without Python knowledge.
Okay.
Okay.
What
Not
about
only this, previous
yeah.
project also I worked like that. Before project also I worked.
One more thing. In DBT classes, how many hours you have to take on that? I think.
I won't go with the hours. Topics I'm going to cover. Whatever 5 to 6 topics are important. Those topics only available right now in the market and projects also. What is required for your DBT projects, that all content I'm going to explain. Generally depends on the team, depend on the batch. It may take 6 classes, 7 classes, or 8 classes. Means if they ask me more questions and I'm not able to continue with the class, next day I have to postpone, right? Like that it will drag. Maximum 6 classes I will plan. Sometimes it will go more than that. But focus on topics. I'll focus on only topics, not days also. Okay? Sometimes
Sorry
2 hours
to
also will happen.
Yeah, some interest is asking for Python is okay. Do you know
Uh,
some services for that
okay.
functions
Uh,
is
today only I attend one client interview, internal client interview. Okay. They asked me Python. You have Python experience. Clearly, I mentioned I don't have Python experience. They didn't stop my interview. They continued with my interview. L1 I cleared, L2 today I completed. Okay. So I'm not saying my past experience. Today's experience this week, what happened, I'm saying. I will
is
agree. Out of 10 interviews, 1 or 2 profiles, they may reject you. But remaining 8 is there, right? You can crack one job for that. Now, immediately, you're already running Snowflake, DBT, ADF, Azure, I'm saying. This all different technologies, I'm saying. If you, not only you, general overview, I'm saying. If student is not good with SQL, that is also you have to add. This many things already had it. Now, suddenly, if I say Python also, if you want to learn, which is not required that much immediately right now for your career, it will be finally you will stop learning Snowflake on. Okay. First, try to step into Snowflake projects. First, try to get an opportunity. Your comfort with your project. If you have time, you have leisure time. If you want to learn something, then you can take a chance of Python. It will be add on to you. That's it. But no guarantee every project will use Python.
Yeah, is it required for PLSQL?
PLSQL also not required. SQL only.
It's not support for Snowflake in PLSQL.
First of all, yes, we will use SQL only. No PLSQL, it won't work also.
Okay.
Actually, if we go with the language in store processor only, I will talk about language. Okay, SQL, JavaScript, Java, Scala, Python. These people will say it will support in store proc mainly. But 95 plus we will use SQL language only. Remaining all they are saying it will support. Who will use Python mainly? ML and AI people will work. For them, it is best opportunity. For us, not required.
Okay, ALML is a separate team and Snowflake also a separate team.
Yes, obviously. That is data science. AL and ML, AI and ML people can work with the database interface also. Like that, they are using in Snowflake interface. That's it.
So that is a different part.
Different part. To have interest means first come into Snowflake, explore it, then take an advanced step on that. Now, right term is not a benefit for anyone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello, hi.
Hi,
Sai
tell
Sri.
me.
Yeah,
Tell me.
actually, I'm working with a product base, and I have around 4+ years of experience. But my tech stack is completely different, not related to the like specifically SQL related. I am into the
Okay.
BI technologies, like BI, and I'm
Okay.
also working with
Reporting.
the Databricks. Yeah, actually, but like
Still,
how it will be helping us, like how it will be helping me here with the Snowflake.
Okay. You are in good combination actually. You just involving the advanced concept. That's it. Why I said good combination means already you have good knowledge on BI, which is reporting.
Mm.
Okay.
But one
They
another thing, sorry,
yeah.
sorry to interrupt you. Just you mentioned that like you guys will not be able to at the moment you guys will not be able to teach the SQL, and I was not that pro with the SQL at the moment, and SQL is.
Live classes only recorded actually. This Raj sir, whatever
Yeah.
the live classes he took, he recorded those classes and they are giving support for you. I mean,
So that would be enough, right?
enough. Once you've done that, you won't get confidence. Some people will get confidence, some people may not. That's the reason I am there
Yes.
to help you, right? After completing that, still you want some more information from me how to improve SQL means some people know they by themselves, some people may not. You can connect with me. I'll understand what's your learning progress or how much you learned in SQL, how to improve that, I will guide you.
Yeah, because like mostly in the for the BI guy, yeah, like there
Drag
will be
and
no,
drop.
yeah, there will be there will be no specific requirement with
Yes,
the SQL. So yeah,
yes.
that's why
I'll agree. We will do maximum
the
select star
form.
filter condition. We
Yeah, the
won't do
basic
anything.
extraction. I mean,
Yes.
yeah.
select star filter condition. That's the
Sure,
reason
thank you.
I'm not leaving anyone with okay, go and take the recordings SQL. Okay, I don't have any connection with. No, I'm not saying like that. We are providing that initial days you'll get some time to learn also. Complete that. Come to me. I mean, I'll be daily. I will connect with you, right? Not one day. So if you connect with me, I will understand. Okay, you are in this phase. What next step better for you? Based on person to person, I'll guide you. If some people can handle by themselves this part learning, but some people may not. Everyone can connect with me. I will help you out based on your learning process. Okay.
Yeah, sure, thanks. Yeah,
If I
have a
sit
good
with
one.
SQL, 4 months also we won't complete because SQL is not limited topics. It's a vast practice only. Practice only makes SQL. Nobody can help you without practice.
Yeah, good, thanks. Yeah.
Yeah. Coming to your profile, yes, you are good to go with Snowflake. No need to think much on your profile. It's good.
Sure, yeah. Thank you.
Others, any questions?
Yeah,
If I missed
what
any
is the
chart, please.
duration for that this course? I think
Duration.
yeah.
I mean, generally we are saying 50 days. Yeah, almost there are here 2 months. It will take Saturdays, Sundays, all this. Okay, average 40 sessions you will get. I'm not including Saturdays, Sundays. Okay, sessions I'm saying minimum 40 sessions will be there.
Okay, is it a
Saturdays,
separate
Sundays not
or
there.
that
Yeah.
the DBT course or similarly?
But sorry, including all Snowflake,
Including
DBT, ADF, project explanation, end to end, everything will be included. Minimum
okay.
40 sessions will be there. And I'm not sticking to like one more thing. I'm not saying 40 sessions only within that I have to complete. I don't want to rush. It's completely end to end handled by me. Today, Karthik joined, team joined. From the day one class, it's totally handled by me only, right? So nobody pressure me, rush me. I have to go with my flow. People are saying, okay, we can go with the next topic. Then only I'll move to the next topic. Today, for don't think like this team is giving chance to ask today only questions. And the next time they may not allow us to talk. These sessions won't be like that. Every day I will give unmute access. You have to say we are good Sai Sri. Then only I will end the session. Okay.
Guys, just give me a moment, please. Here, I just like wanna give you some information. As I said you in the starting of the session, I'm just like going to give you some information now. So please be with me for the next 2 minutes. Then I'll give the access again to unmute yourself, and you can ask the questions also. Okay, please mute yourself now. Okay. So yeah, so I just like wanna give you the complete information about the schedule, prices, everything. So yeah, let's start. So Snowflake DBT ADF and AWS program is going on here. So this course duration is 2 months. 50 plus working days required, and like we need like 2 months of your time, and 70 plus hours of content will be delivered to you. There are two batches, morning and evening. The morning batch is from 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST, started today. Started today. The evening batch 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. This batch is already started. Already started. If you want, you can join this batch already. Okay, the batch is already started and you can go ahead with that. And today is the completely about the introduction class we have done with. Okay, so we have given the links for everyone. So the people who not paid also join today. But from the next session, so we are going with the completely the paid people. Okay, yes. And the course price is 15,000 rupees. As I promised you, there is some special discount is available. Yes, the discount is available. Please wait. I'll explain you about that. We are going to deal with one real-time project which includes all these four technologies: Snowflake, DBT, ADF, and AWS. All these four technologies are included here in these real-time projects, where you can get the complete hands-on experience for your, even if you want to showcase a 4 years experience, 5 years relevant experience also. Yes, you can showcase. Okay, and each and every session we are going to provide you for lifetime recordings access. So the session will be recorded on every day, and we will be providing these recordings access also to you. Okay, so that you can access these recordings for lifetime. Okay, no need to worry about that. Got it? Yes. And sorry. And initially the classes will be alternative. Okay. Initially, the first 2 weeks we will be having alternative days. Okay. Generally the batch sessions are like Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday, but but initially, so we will be going with alternative days here. Okay, alternative days. That is Monday. I'll take the questions. Please wait. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for 1 week or 2 weeks. 1 week or 2 weeks, because the people need to settle down. You need to create a trial accounts. You need to complete the Oracle mainly. Okay, there will be many things will be there. That is the reason why the first 2 weeks will be going with alternative days. You will get enough time. You will be in the track as well, because initially because the many people have to gap and they're coming back now, and you are in a different domain, you want to switch the domain, so there will be many things here. Okay, considering every profile, we have given this alternative days for the 1 to 2 weeks. After that, again the regular schedule will start Monday to Friday. Got it? Yes. For the next session will be on 1st of September. Okay. And for the registrations, you can just contact us on this number 8105296858, and the one more number is 636163810. These two are officially WhatsApp and calling numbers of Raj Cloud Technologies. If you receive any information from these two numbers, it is genuine. You can believe it blindly. Okay, we are a team of 6 people. So myself, this is Karthik. I am from Rajsa team and I am the team lead here. And so from my team, Anil, Sudha, okay, so Divyaraj, Vedita, Venu, and Prajakta. These people are from my team. Okay, we all will be available on these numbers. So whoever is available at a particular time, they'll attend your call and they'll help you with the registration process also. So no need to worry about that. Narendra, I'll answer your question. Please be with me. I'll answer your question. Okay. So we will accept all the payment modes. We accept UPI, bank transfer, net banking. Okay. So net banking and international transfers like Remitly, PayPal, everything is accepted. No need to worry about that. Okay. I said you read there is some complimentary courses available for you. This is the complimentary course, Oracle SQL. In this course, you will be having a 10 plus videos are available. 15 hours of content will be given to you. These are the topics. These are the topics we are going to cover in this Oracle SQL program. Okay. Yes. Okay. And I just like want to give you about the discount price. Just give me a moment. Yes. Actually, the price is 15,000 rupees is the course price. And if you see the website today, there is some special offer mentioned over website here. You can see flat 15% off on all trainings. Okay, this is the discount given by the company for all the students, for all the courses, all the students. So we have given this discount to you, but specially whoever is going to enroll today, okay, especially whoever is going to enroll today, you are going to get a discount of 20%, and strictly this is available only today. Even if you want to enroll tomorrow also, yes, you can enroll, but you will be getting a 15% discount, not 20. Okay, so strictly this discount is available only today, whoever is going to enroll. Okay, we have given you the flat 20% discount. After discount applies, your course price is just 12,000 rupees only. Okay, so if you want to enroll tomorrow 15% discount will be applied to you. Okay, and your price will be 12,750. Okay, so these are the prices for today and for the rest of the things. Okay, so for only today you're going to get a special discount from my end, from Karthik. Okay, so this is Karthik, so I'm applying from my account, and you're going to get this 20% discount. Okay, and only for today the price is 12,000 rupees. From tomorrow your course price will be 12,750 rupees. Okay, the 15% discount here, it is 15% discount applied. 15% discount applied here. Okay, so here if you enroll today, you're going to get 20% discount. Got it? Yes, this is the prices. And if you want to enroll from the website, yes, you can enroll from the website directly. Okay, just go to the courses section here, click on the Snowflake training, Okay, so as I said you, there is some special discount, right? So whoever is enrolling today, you can go for the manual enrollment. You can call my team. They'll apply my discount and they'll provide you the discounted amount. Okay, this is the number where you can contact. Okay, if you want to, one second, if you want to enroll from the website, yes, you can. Just sign up first. First of all, you need to sign up. Okay, every time you log in, you need to sign up. Whenever you sign up, then you will be a registered user from RajCloud Technologies. From there, just go to the courses section. Sorry guys, like today my net is really bad. Okay, so just go to the courses section, click on Snowflake training, click on Snowflake training. Okay, just scroll down. You can see here enroll now. If you want to enroll for the morning batch, if you want to enroll for the morning batch, you can click on enroll here. If you want to enroll for the evening batch, you can click on enroll here. Click on pay and enroll now. Click on pay and enroll now. You will be redirected to this page. As I said you from the company, you are going to get only 15% discount today. So if you want to go with the Indian credit or debit cards or the EMI option or the UPI option, anything, okay, you can make the payment here using this option. Okay, so the discount is applied here. You can see here the 14,999 is the course price. The coupon is available, 2,250 rupees coupon is available. Your price will be 12,749. Okay, this is your price applied with 15% discount. Okay, and you can select international cards. Okay, if you are out of India, if you are from if you are using any bank account out of India, you can select this option and you can make the payment through website. Got it? And if you want to enroll manually, you just like contact us here. One second. Okay, you can contact us here on the website given numbers. Okay, so always contact on this number, because we will be see, official information will be confirmed only through this number. Only through this number 8105296858, and other number I have given to you, that is 636163810. These two are the numbers, and this is the complete information about the offer and everything. Got it? Yes, there is few questions here, just like I can help you with that. Any possibility to complete in 30 days? Narendra, see, Sai Sri I have already given to you the question, the answer for you. You can go with the previous batch recordings and you can join the current batch live as well. Okay, so that like you can complete the recordings. By watching the recordings, you can complete the videos of 45 to 50 videos, whatever available. All these videos you can complete within 30 days, and you can join the live class as well to ask your questions. Okay, but we don't
Hey,
have
Raj,
any
Raj.
option. Yes, I'm about to answer that
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
We
Yeah,
don't
Raj,
have any
actually,
option to complete. Sorry, please go ahead. Yes.
it's okay to attend the group classes when I want to complete it with the live classes. So I
See,
want to
but it is
complete it
not
here live.
connected. Okay. See, today is the first session of batch number 14, and evening
Okay.
batch is going. That is 13th batch is going on. 13th batch is session number 11 is going on today. Okay, so both is not parallel, or like you cannot get in a sequence also at least. That is the reason why
So,
I cannot allow you in the two batches here. Okay, I can help you personally. Don't worry about that. Just like drop your name and WhatsApp number. My team will connect with you personally, or else you call me after the session on the same number. I will be available and I'll help you for this query. Don't worry. Okay.
thank you.
Yes, yes. And yeah, Pallavi, your question is there. Sai Sri, like, have you answered this Pallavi question? There is a question from Pallavi, that is a fresher candidate handled 3 to 4 plus years of experience projects if they learn from your course. Yes, of course, Pallavi. Okay, if you are a freshie, the thing is, whoever is joining this course, they don't have any knowledge on Snowflake right now. Okay, they are completely new to the technology. They are completely new to the course. Okay, they will be learning from the scratch. Even if a fresher people comes to me and they are taking trying on Snowflake, even an experienced candidate who is having 10 years of experience in Java, and he is coming to me right now and learning the Snowflake training, both are same to us now, because they don't have any knowledge on Snowflake. We need to train from complete scratch. Okay, so this is how, like, we will help you. No need to worry about that. We will help you for that. Mujamil, yeah, you can ask me a question. You can unmute yourself, or else you can post your question here also. Meanwhile, I'll take
Yeah,
others question here.
yeah, hi.
Yeah,
Yeah,
please.
hi. Yeah, actually, I'm a working professional in
Hmm.
Oracle EBS.
Hmm.
I'm a, I am having a 3 years of experience right now. So, what will be
Hmm.
the career map for me in this Snowflake?
See, I'll tell you the average package first of all. Okay, for 3 years
Okay.
experience, even I have a candidates who got 8 LPA and who got 16 LPA also. Okay, it,
Okay.
it depends on your current package too. What is your current
Yeah,
package,
currently
please?
I'm 8.5 right now.
8.5. See, even if you get the basic 30% hike also, you will be easily
Okay.
at 12.5 like that. Okay. But still,
Mhm.
if you can go for the counter opportunities, you can increase your
Mhm.
package. If you are so confident on your technology, then easily you
Mhm.
can achieve 16 to 17 also.
Okay.
Okay. It
And
completely depends on
what
how
about the
confident you are to the technology. That's it.
okay. And what about future career opportunities? Uh,
See,
to be
right
a
now we have a very good opportunities on the Snowflake right now. You can for the next 5 years, you no need to look back, you no need to upskill or anything else. Okay, just for next 5 years, like whatever the things you needed, we are going to give you here. And if there is any small topics are coming up, obviously you will be learning in the office environment of course. Okay. For the next 5 years, you can survive with this Snowflake, DBT, ADF, and AWS things.
okay. And for this role, do we have remote job opportunities?
Yeah, it is. Yes, it is available.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, fine. Yeah, thanks.
Yes. And Narendra, there is a question called like, can you provide the interview support or job support if required? No. Okay. We will provide you the assistance. Assistance will be given you any time, even after completion of the training, after 1 year, after 2 year. Yes, we do provide. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding the conceptual basis, yes, the trainer is open to support you anytime. Okay. But we don't provide job support. Your voice is not so clear for me.
Hello. So, Karthik,
Yes,
just to have an clarification on that, like, so
please.
even we don't provide the mock interview supports as well. Is that
We do provide the mock interview support actually.
okay?
We provide, okay, see, once the batch is done, suppose you have done with the batch today, you take 3 to 4 days of time, okay, get ready for the interview, complete the interview questions, take the resume, get ready, and you just let me know like once you are ready, I'll schedule a meeting with Sai Sri Garu. I'll be available, Sai Sri Garu will be available, and you will be available. Only one-to-one interview will be taken here. Okay, we'll be going for a mock and we'll note it down like what are the drawbacks you have, and we'll inform you again like what you need to come back for the next mock. Okay, before the next mock, like what you need to concentrate more, where you are lagging in, or if everything is good, like where you need to improve more. Okay, so everything will be noted and will be given to you again, and you will be invited for the next mock also.
Simple, no proxies are encouraged here. Simple.
Okay, see, our training institute main theme is, okay, so if someone is coming to us to Raj Cloud Technologies, even if you don't have the any knowledge also, we will make you to clear your own interview. Okay, we take that commitment to prepare you on your interview. Okay, many institutes they are providing the proxies by themselves and they'll be charging extra 40,000 rupees for that. They'll provide the job support, they'll charge extra 20,000 rupees, or they'll charge you like 30% of your salary. Like that, they'll be charging. Okay, if you are learning a course, then why you need the job support? If you are going for a proxy, why you need the course?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay,
Raj,
that's what
hi
the main
Raj.
thing. Okay, yes, please.
Yeah, are you providing that project, a real-time project, and can you help us to include that project in the resume building and the roles and responsibilities, everything?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So, Sai Sri will provide you a separate project for everyone. Okay, so to mention you in your course, sorry, in your resume. Okay, if you are a 2 years experience guy, how to provide like one, she will provide you like one project to you. If you wanna showcase like more than 2 years, like 2 to 4 years, you will get two projects. If you wanna showcase like more than 4 years, you will get three projects as well. Okay, so don't worry about
Okay.
that. So we will take your resume requirements before the batch completion, and we will take 24 hours to build your resume, and we'll submit your resume within 24 hours only. You'll get your resume for sure, and we'll do some minor changes after sending the resume, and you can go ahead and you can upload also, no issues.
Okay.
So, how to access those SQL videos, Karthik?
I have shown you, right? Like, however, we are providing the Snowflake access to you. In the same way, we are going to provide you the Oracle course access also. The people who ever paid for this Snowflake training, you will be getting this as a complimentary training. If you have already paid, please contact my team. My team will help you how to access the videos and all.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes. Still any questions from anyone, please?
Yes, Karthik, I have a question. I just wanted
Please
to
go
ask
ahead.
you, will this course help you to crack the certification first? And second question is, someone who has got the certification and someone without the certification, like what are the differences in with respect
See,
to the
right
employee's
now,
perspective?
if you are trying in Indian market, okay, there is a no difference. There is no difference if you're trying in the Indian market. Okay, so even if you do the certification, it is same for you. Even if you don't do the certification, also it is same for you. If you are trying out of India, then certification is must. Okay, if you have the knowledge within India, like wherever like you are trying for the opportunities within India, then that is like if you have the knowledge, that is enough to clear the opportunities. You'll get the invite also. If you are trying out of India, surely you need a certification. Without certification, you won't get the invite also. Interview invite also, you won't get it.
Okay, that's good to know information. And also, Karthik, the job prospects abroad compared to India with Snowflake, how do you like? Is it much higher than what is in India?
See, right now, see, from last 8 months, okay, I'm continuously like seeing the opportunities on these countries. Okay, so on Snowflake and DBT, particularly on the Snowflake and DBT, so we have a good opportunities in US, UK, Canada, and India. Okay, so these four countries are offering like more opportunities when compared with all other countries and all other technologies. Also, I can say that in cloud technologies, Snowflake and DBT is are getting more opportunities and getting more paid also. Okay, so if you can see, if you can compare this Snowflake with any cloud technology right now, okay, when compared with the AWS, when compared with the Salesforce or some other technologies also, I can say that it is bit easy. It is not that much technical. Okay, it is very easy to learn first of all. When compared with Azure also, okay, it is very easy to learn first of all. And even if you want to showcase more experience also, because now if you are switching from one domain to other domain, definitely we need to showcase some relevant experience. Without relevant experience, we are not at all getting any call in a single call also. So to showcase this relevant experience, Snowflake is very much comfortable for you. Even the 4 years experience, 5 years experience also, you can easily handle.
I have just this one question where, if suppose from a data analyst perspective, if Snowflake, where does it fall? Because in my previous project, I was with something called Pentaho ETL tool as well as SQL. So these are the only things that I used. So where does the Snowflake fall from my data analyst? But I'm only looking for data analyst roles. So does this work for me? I can add on this as an extra tool, or is it like no, because recently I've seen that the combination of SQL with Power BI or Python with Power BI or something like that works for a data analyst. How relevant is Snowflake for a data analyst?
Sai Sri, are you available? I hope like she can answer this question like more betterly.
Can you repeat the question? You are asking it is relevant to data analytics analyst, right?
Yes, I was a data analyst. Now the contract ended and I'm looking for a new job. So
Which
in
technologies you worked on as a data analyst technology?
as an analyst, except SQL, I have not used anything else. These are that was the only language I used for data analysis. But the tool that was used here, I was in the data team, and the tool that was used was Pentaho ETL tool, which was the tool that we're using. So I was the support system for the ETL developers. I used only SQL. So how relevant is so now as a combination for only data analysis, how important is Snowflake? Like where does it fall in the
I mean, whatever the two ETLs you supported, Snowflake is also one kind of ETL. Till now, you didn't focused on one particular technology actually. Still, supporting system kind of work you done, right? Here you'll completely become as a data analyst, because few companies will call it as a data engineer, few companies will call it as a data analyst also.
Okay.
Okay, whatever you till now you done, it's a combination of multiple works actually. No one particular platform is within reach actually. So now it will turn your profile into particular platform. You are belongs to this platform related data analyst. Like that, it will be showcased in the market. Already you went to SQL, right? You won't feel much difference in that. It will be easy to pick from your side. You won't feel that much hectic to learn also. It's a good choice. And
So
evergreen.
it's better.
Data analyst is always, I mean, energy. Again, don't confuse, guys. Many people will confuse. Don't confuse yourself. Data warehouse related ETL tools are always, evergreen, because without our ETLs or without our data warehouse concept, we cannot go with the next phase. It may be reporting or data science, right? That's the reason always evergreen. People will say with the different titles, so that's the problem. Don't confuse. Your case is 100% suitable step only. It's the best step actually, if I want to say.
Yes,
So
yes.
if you till now if you want to apply job, which course, which technology you'll focus generally? If suppose I'm as a Snowflake keyword, I'll
Generally, it
use,
was
right?
basically like a
Hmm.
combination of like Power BI and
Mixed
SQL
combinations.
or
You're saying
yeah. So
SQL, but here ETL tool, ETL technology, you don't have like specific ETL technology knowledge, right? Generally. Now it making
no,
proper
no.
step. Yeah.
Well,
You know,
I've
Power.
written some school jobs and all for the ETL developers initially because of there was just one ETL developer and there was a lot of ingestion going on. So yes, I did support Pentaho tool for a little while, but I'm not like the complete ETL developer.
Completely ETL developer.
They've
Yeah.
used
Now
me
you will
for
become as a developer with reporting combination, right? It's the best combination. My preference is better to choose this Snowflake. The profile is almost relevant only. Now I'm making as a track for you. That's it.
Hello.
thank
Hello? Tell me.
Hello. Yeah,
Hello?
my profile is actually in teaching profile. Is it a switch for Snowflake?
You can. It's not impossible. You have to take it as a challenge. If you do hard work, 100% you can switch.
Yeah, actually, I work in Swan College only. Before I work in software as a data analyst. After switching the teaching, some situations after I can come back again in IT sector. Is it possible to switch to?
After your graduation, what is the difference?
Yeah, starting career my is in MIS executive and role and Power BI. Okay, and after that, I know that Snowflake concept, all those things. But after some situations is going on, after is coming to going to college, I went to college. After that, I thought only Python and Java in database also. Is it fine for in Snowflake in
Yeah, comparing to say other people are working for 1 hour means you have to let's just increase your time, and day to day if you update yourself, it is possible. Still, if you want deep level, I'll connect with you personally. But yes, it's not, nothing is impossible here. Snowflake is suitable for any unknown people also.
okay.
Okay. Your interest makes your profile change simple.
Yeah.
Because you're coming from different step, right? So you have to take one profile, not now, almost 2 years back. I heard this combination. Teacher only, teaching field only. He changed it to developer.
Yeah, actually,
Again, I'm
already I think, I thought actually students in AI also I take that
then for you, just one thing is IT. You didn't explore IT companies generally. So 1 year, if you take little bit as a challenge, next year you will be like a very comfort zone with IT, even technology or IT people. All this will be common for you. Small, it's a different world for you, right? Just little bit adjustment. Others already in IT, but they are need to adjust with technology. Here, you technology plus IT environment little bit. If you take a little bit take care, you can settle down. Already you're into correct technology field only, but teaching field. We are not working on the system. That's the difference.
Yeah, 2019 to 22, I work in IT sector actually reporting in
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, okay. You
Excel,
have touched then. Then
uh,
no need to think this much. You can.
Excel, advanced Excel and VBA also, and PHP also. Okay, after Snowflake, I have knowledge that actually. Uh,
Okay, okay.
in that Swiggy is actually is using the Snowflake. After
Uh,
some situation I'm going to
okay, okay.
field. Okay, in that teaching field, I work in AI and machine learning and database and Python actually. I thought
Okay,
and Java also as well as very good knowledge of
okay.
Java and Python in student level.
Okay, okay. Like comparing to working people, like your teaching field will have more knowledge because we will work with one concept every day, same concept almost. You'll touch all the concepts, right? So
Yeah.
that is the reason for you. It will be like very easy to handle subject wise. So no problem then. You are already in one step. You took in IT. You have some exposure on like how IT field will be there, like that, right? So you can handle. Don't think much. Just small. You have to take little bit fast training. Training means upgrade pro little bit fastly. Don't waste your time after training 2 months, 3 months like that. Don't waste and immediately try to apply for jobs
Sure.
because you are want to jump, right? Others already into IT field means they can take 1 more month extra, no problem. It payroll will be continued. That's the reason.
Okay, thank you.
In her case, some documents we have to keep, no? That's the reason.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Hi, Sai.
Hi.
Yeah. Will I get the 3 months notice period calls into Snowflake?
Yeah, today only I got Accenture call. Yes, they are allowing us. MNCs are allowing with a 90 days notice period, including me. I also have same problem. If you are not getting also, we have some tricks I wish to follow. That I will provide in the sessions. No need to worry. We have to follow small tricks for us to save that 90 days period.
Okay. 7+ of experience I have.
No
So,
problem. Easily you will get job. Below 10 years experience, don't think about your experience only. It's very easy because Snowflake came in the middle of this lockdown time. Before that, 2021, if you check, companies also don't have Snowflake projects. 22, market is like high peak level it went. 23, so many people came into the market generally. So it's like a new technology kind of only, but it's already added into the every company. You can easily turn your profile into like with a less experience. Yeah, out of 7 years, you can get 3.2, 3.3, and you can go. So, Sai Sri, is it okay? Can I handle the project with 100%? You can handle. If your colleagues is good and you are able to connect with the team properly, 100%. Within 2 months, you'll be on the step. You can stabilize your job. No problem.
okay.
Okay. Once you are on the bench, also you no need to wait for other projects. Immediately, if you want, you can search for outside projects or internally also. It will be like flexible for you. Job search also.
Hello, Sai Sri.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Hello.
understand.
What
But
is
the final question from your side,
Tell me.
it's this moon clouding candidates also can manage
Again, come again. Sorry.
moon clouding.
Moon clouding.
Means I have multiple PF accounts.
You can remove. Okay. This is new term and here. Okay. You can remove that multiple PF accounts, right? Remove it. It's possible now. Already few people are doing. If you have multiple accounts, few companies you can remove. Moonlighting in jobs you done simple. Parallelly 2 jobs, right? So which is
Yes,
important, keep that and the remaining you can remove. I don't know how to remove, but the process is there. From last year onwards or mid 6 months back somewhere I heard it is there. Students are doing already. Some people who done moonlighting in COVID time.
Yeah, is it
Remove it.
for remove PF account for I have same issues for that actually.
Uh, yeah, if you connect with this PF team, someone will someone will help you out. I don't know the process. I didn't face that issue actually, but you have the option.
Yeah, is there option actually, but
Hmm.
how to remove that actually I don't know.
Oh,
But
nice.
before
Hello,
I
Sai.
work in same tech in the
Moonlighting.
Hello,
electricity
Sai Sri.
moonlight. Okay,
Yeah, 1 minute. He's asking question. I'll come to you. Yeah, once I mean, don't ask PF. I mean, we PF office something like that. You can go there and you can ask. They will help you. Some chartered account people will also help you. Really, I
Hello.
didn't do anything. Hello, I can hear you. I don't know who is
Yeah,
this, but
yeah, Sai Sri. What is
yeah,
the
yeah.
difference between Informatica and Snowflake?
Informatica is
The
not
power
Informatica. Yes,
center.
yes. Yeah. That I mean, I'm not background of that exactly. I cannot say technology wise. Though those
Okay.
also like a data warehouse concept only. But comparing to Snowflake, that market is down now. I heard that. I think I so many one person also mentioned in the session. Market is bit
Informatica
down.
is on-premise one. Okay. I mean,
IACS is
Informatica is
cloud.
Informatica is on-premise one. Informatica Power Center, Informatica MDM, IDQ. Okay, so all these
Okay.
are on-premise. Okay, so Informatica also we have a cloud versions. Okay, like CDI, CAI, CDQ,
Okay.
okay,
Mhm.
MDM SaaS, CDGC. Like this, we have clouds in Informatica. Okay, so it is a
Okay.
similar cloud like Snowflake itself, but
Mm.
the market, like when compared with these Informatica products and the Snowflake one, it is a bit different actually. Different markets we have.
Okay. Actually, I'm working in medical coding, total 5 years experience. So what is suitable for me?
You can try with the Snowflake right now. Okay, Snowflake is a very good opportunity for you because see, if someone who is not having any kind of IT experience, someone is stepping into IT right now. So I highly
Yes.
recommend the Snowflake for you people. Why? Because
Okay.
so Snowflake is very easy to learn. First of all, as I mentioned you earlier, see, even
Mm.
if you want to showcase experience, also you can easily showcase. Okay, that's what the main
Okay.
advantage from the Snowflake. Okay.
Yeah, that's why I'm totally science background. That's why I'm asking you.
No issues, no issues. Even if you have any background, any degree, anything is fine. If you
Okay.
just concentrate for 2 months, if you are
Okay.
flexible to learn, that is more than
Okay.
enough to get
Okay.
a good review, to get a good opportunities as well. You can see the reviews also here. See, after uploading the 35 classes, we have asked the reviews for students. Okay, you can see here how students are reacted
Okay.
and how they have given the reviews also. Got it?
Okay.
This is how we will take the batches from our end. Okay, and
Okay.
from our end, like we will be trying to provide you the maximum support like what we can do. Okay, you can see all the things here. You can see here SaiSri enroll for the Snowflake training. You can see all the process, like even who don't have the SQL knowledge also, how they have given the review and everything you can see here. Okay,
Okay.
out,
Okay.
out of 1441 reviews, we have an average of 4.9 star ratings. This is a very
Okay.
high, and like we got a very good like opinions from the students among all the courses, not only for the particular Snowflake. You can see the Snowflake students like what they felt like when they are taking the trainings also. You can
Okay.
see all the reviews
Okay,
here.
Karthik. Okay.
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 Yes.
Thank you.
One student without completing the course only he got job. It's surprise. I actually surprised to me. Not for the students, also for me, it's surprise. I am going to end my course. He is saying I got job in Snowflake. His interest totally. And how my I cannot say it's totally my because of me he got the job. 50% I am, but remaining 50% he struggled a lot and he completed all the things.
Okay.
The commitment
Interview
is enough.
scenario
Yeah,
based
tell.
or interview
Uh,
scenario based or
uh,
how?
Depends on the companies and requirements. Sometimes they don't have any particular project to hire. For example, they're not hiring for a particular project, it's a bulk hire. That cases they
Okay.
will they will focus on question generally, content of the Snowflake DBT like that. No, they are
Okay.
focusing purely for one project. Specifically, one person is leaving, like that issues will be there, right? The
Okay.
specific project, then what is happening in the project right now, that combination question they will ask you. Depends.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you,
Some
SaiSri.
cases L1 will be like totally theoretical, mean whatever the concepts we have, they will ask. L2 again they will ask on scenario based. Depends on the we will get
Okay.
the knowledge based on your profile. You'll get into the things.
Total how many rounds is the interview?
2 rounds, maximum 2 rounds.
Maximum.
Very rare companies will ask you to go with the third round, that is HR round, like that they will say. Technically, 2 rounds only right now.
Okay. Okay. Okay, SaiSri. Thank you.
Guys, again, why you are maybe this is recording, so many people can get this good information. I'm working real time, right? That is the reason. What benefit from my side means things will change in IT very fast. 6 months, 6 months, we will have some new things. Now, right now, what is the what trend means? You are in the same company from past 5 years also. I mean, for example, I'm saying if you are changing the client, you have to face the interview. Suppose someone is, if you are going with a proxy, for example, what is the disadvantage means you will crack only till to enter into that, to get the offer, you will take the support of that person. But every time when you are joining for new client, you have to face the client. So that is the reason. 1 month late also no problem. Prepare and crack by yourself. Now if I want to change right now, I have to give interviews compulsory. So always I will ask students to prepare for interview. Every time prepare for interview. That is the best option for developers. Okay, don't go with any proxies. If you don't go with Snowflake also, no problem. Proxy will kill your time and money. Simple. Yeah, any other questions? Someone is asking, I think so. Any question? I missed anyone?
SaiSri,
Amit.
Yeah.
Amit, completely.
Yeah, I just have an last question from my side. So as you'll be teaching in ADF as well, so like
Yeah.
how about the subscriptions for that, and how would the ADF pipeline project? So is like that will be a real-time pipeline project, and how much it is, like 2 or 3.
ADF, I will go with my real-time project flow only actually. The pipeline, how I've been building. I only built 30 to 40 pipelines I build in my real-time right now, current project. So like that only I will give the classes training like that. But what will say, whatever I'm explaining you, if you explain in that coming up your interviews, that's enough. Because requirement basis only I'm giving ADF training for you. If you want to say simple way.
Yeah, so though, like there will be no real-time involvement pipeline
Real
creation.
time means real time in pipeline only I'm creating in my free trial account.
Okay, you will be creating and you will be explaining it.
Yeah, because we cannot create for training purpose. I cannot you cannot use client accounts, right? Obviously. So what real time I created for my client, that requirement I am sharing here.
Hmm.
Okay, we can explore how with hands on. Why I took, what is, I mean, why how we will get the thought process to take this option like that. Some discussion will happen parallelly. I will create and parallelly I will give the discussion. I'm also learner, guys. Every project I learn something.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Yeah. Any other questions, or we can wind up? Okay, then. See you in the next
Sai Sri,
class.
one question.
Yeah, tell me. Sorry, I missed you. Sorry, tell me.
Sorry. Like this session which you proposed today is at 7 o'clock, right? So
Yes.
probably tomorrow, what time the session is going to be?
Karthik, please give them update on this. They have schedule actually. One more demo is there, I think so. They have schedule actually, not with me. Karthik, can you go with the schedule? Like they are asking about next schedule. Initially, we will have alternate classes. It's not like tomorrow immediately we won't start session. People just join in the demo, right? They'll take some days to go with this. Meanwhile, the team will provide SQL queries for you. Sorry, SQL recordings. You can complete the classes before starting my class. So this gap we will fill with SQL classes.
That's what I said you had initially. Like before starting the Snowflake itself, you need to complete these Oracle SQL classes. It's hardly like 2 to 3 days is like more than enough to complete this 15 hours of training. Okay. Today is Thursday already. Okay, 1 second. Let me share the screen. Okay. Sorry. Okay, you can see here. So today is 28th already. Okay. So if you can enroll now, you'll get the enrollment by today night. Okay. Tomorrow is Friday. Even if you can start after your office also, Friday evening, Saturday, Sunday, and like most of the part you can cover in the Saturday and Sunday. And mostly if there is anything left, you can complete it on Tuesday also. Tuesday also we don't have class. The first week we'll be having like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, right? So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday only we'll be having classes. Tuesday, Thursday also.
Class అవుతుంది.
Sorry?
Please be on the mute who is talking with your family.
Yeah. So like you can just like utilize this time also and you can complete the Oracle things. That's it. That is the reason why initially like we are giving a time, okay? The first 2 weeks we are giving we are giving a time to cope up with us, okay? So because if someone knows SQL, if someone don't knows SQL, unnecessarily new doubts will arise there. That is the reason why we ask the people who don't know SQL. So periodically, you just complete the enrollment today and get the access. Complete this Oracle within 2 to 3 days. Okay. If someone who knows SQL already, if you want to revise, if you are currently working also, that is fine, not a problem. If you are not working right now on SQL, if you want to revise, if you want to like just like brush up the things again, then you just like enroll as early as possible. Start learning from today so that it will help you to start the Snowflake from scratch immediately.
So even though for next week the session will be on the same time or like how it is?
No, please. The mostly the next 1 to 2 classes we will be having the class in the evening. After that, the regular timings will come back. That is 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST in the morning.
Okay, fine.
Yes. Still any questions from anyone, please? I hope like we have cleared you all your questions, and so I hope like everyone is good with your information like what we have provided till now. So if you still have any information, if you have still have any questions that you wanted to ask, please contact us on this number. This is the 8105296858. We will be available from morning 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. We will be available. Okay, morning 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. we will be available, so that we can help you with the complete queries whatever you have. Okay, so yeah, this is the complete information. And before ending the session, I just like want to give one more information. Today's session is going to upload here in this YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. The session went really good. Okay, you can get today's session recording here. I'm sharing the link with you over chat. Okay, subscribe to the channel, you'll get the details. Okay, whoever have already given your contact numbers to me, I hope like you have received the group link already and you have added to the group. I think so, right? We have already like added to the group. If you haven't dropped your name and WhatsApp number yet, you can just drop right now. After the session, I'll add you. Can someone confirm me you got the link? So whoever have dropped your name and WhatsApp number, can someone confirm me? Have you received the invitation for the group? In the group, there is like more than 800 plus people are there. 800 plus people are there in the group. Can someone confirm me here?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thanks for the confirmation. Yes. So we have added to the group as well. If you haven't dropped yet, you can just like drop me your name and WhatsApp number, so that like we can end the session. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you so much for everyone for joining the session today. Yeah, you will get today's session link by tomorrow, and please drop your name and WhatsApp number. You'll get the like a today's session recording also, and today's session PPT, everything will share you. Just drop me your name and WhatsApp number, or else you can find the recording here in this YouTube channel also. Okay? Yes. Thank you so much for joining session today. Have a great day. Thank you.